You got a B9 account? What does that even mean? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bank accounts, specifically something a bit cryptic, the B9 account. Now, you might be thinking, B9? That sounds more like a robot uprising code name than a bank account type. And you wouldn't be wrong. Because depending on the context, B9 could refer to a few different things. So, buckle up, grab your debit card, and let's decode the mystery of the B9 bank account. Scenario 1. Behind the bank teller's desk. First, there's a chance you might encounter B9 if you work at a bank, or if you've ever peeked behind the teller's counter. B9, in this case, could be an internal bank code. Banks often use a whole secret language of abbreviations and alphanumeric codes to categorize accounts, track transactions, and identify different account types. So, B9 might represent a specific savings account product, a loan category, or even a particular fee type. Here's the thing. These internal codes are usually bank-specific. There's no universal rulebook that says B9 means student checking everywhere. So, if you're a bank teller staring at a B9 code on your screen, your best bet is to consult your bank's internal reference materials or ask a supervisor to crack the code. Scenario 2. Bank statements and online banking. Alright, Scenario 2. B9 shows up on your bank statement or online banking platform. Now, this is a little more concerning because it directly impacts your money. If you see B9 on your statement and you don't recognize it, the first thing to do is not panic. Mistakes happen, and sometimes transactions get miscategorized. Here's what you should do. Gather details. Write down the date, amount, and any other details associated with the B9 transaction. Contact your bank. Call your bank's customer service line and explain the situation. They should be able to investigate the B9 transaction and tell you exactly what it is. Review online banking. If you prefer the digital route, most banks allow you to send secure messages through their online banking platform. Explain the B9 transaction and request clarification. Scenario 3. The bank didn't do it. Now, let's say you've contacted your bank and they confirm they have no idea what B9 means in relation to your account. This might be a sign of fraudulent activity. Scammers sometimes use fake bank statements or online banking interfaces to trick people into giving up personal information or transferring money. Here's how to protect yourself. Verification is key. Never click on links or download attachments from unsolicited emails or messages that claim to be from your bank. Always log in to your online banking platform directly through the bank's website, not a link in an email. Multi-factor authentication. If your bank offers multi-factor authentication, enable it immediately. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone or email in addition to your password to log in or make transactions. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect fraud, contact your bank right away and report the incident. They can help freeze your account, dispute fraudulent transactions, and investigate further. B9. Beyond the bank. Alright, so we've covered B9 in the world of banking. But remember, B9 isn't exclusive to bank accounts. Here are a couple of other places you might encounter B9. Video game reference. B9 could be a reference in a video game, maybe a weapon code or a character name. Part number/model number. B9 might be a part number for a specific piece of machinery or a model number for an electronic device. So, what's the big takeaway? If you see B9 and you're not sure what it means, context is key. If it's at the bank, it could be an internal code. If it's on your bank statement, investigate it further. And if it's anywhere else, use your best judgment to figure out its purpose. Remember, a little curiosity can go a long way, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,